this video, you'll learn how to find representations, how to find the x, and what is the growth. Okay, so to find the value on the x and y table of what these two numbers are missing, we will need to subtract from what we already have. So we need to work with what we got. So, as you see, we can subtract 3 from 2. We can subtract 3 from 2, and that will be 1. And we can subtract 2 from 1, which will give us also 1. So you can see it's going to be repetitive, and they'll all be 1. So, the figure 1 would have negative 1, and figure 0 would have negative 2. That is how you find the missing numbers. Now that you already know the missing numbers, you will need to write them down on your table so you will not forget them. I'm just trying to fix the length of it because I wrote too big. So 1, figure 0 would be negative 2, and figure 1 will be negative 1. So now that our table is complete, let's move on to the next step. Okay, since we already know what the missing numbers are, we can fill it on this side as well. So this would be negative 1 and negative 2. So now that our chart is filled out, we can find what the table is going at. And that is the same as, this is the same as growth. The growth is 1, as we already know. I'll just tell these guys. It's 1. Since the growth is 1, now we know what our table is growing by. So we can find out what our rule is. Okay, so this is just a recap of what we already did. So now we know that the growth is 1. Now we need to find the rule. To find the rule, all you really do need is to find, you just need this part to find the rule. Okay. Whenever you're writing the rule, you need to always put the y in front of the equal sign, and then you actually put the problem. If you don't do that, then your teacher will most likely get mad at you, because that is how we learn how to put that. I guess it's just state standards. We need to put that. For it, we could put, no, it was that, we can put, x plus 3 minus 4, and that will give us x plus 1. The 1, as we know, is the growth. And the x is figure 0, so figure 0 will be negative 2 plus 1 will give you the numbers that you want, and that will equal negative 1 if I was trying to solve for the value of 1. That is how you find the rule. Okay, give me one moment. Okay, so now for this slide, I'm going to show you how to plot on this big guy. Okay, so I want you to know as a reminder that this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. This matters because if you put it on the wrong side, then you're going to get a really crazy looking guy. So this will be x, this is y. So now I'm going to fill in my chart, so give me one moment. Okay, so now that I've drawn in my little graph, we can plot it. To plot it, I will show you how. Give me 1 second. Let me change my color to this nice, pretty purple that you cannot see yet. Purple. Okay. So to plot it, it will be 0. It will go down 0 and then across 2. No, wait, no, it's not that. It's it will go across 0 and then up or down 2. Just really just that. So for the 0, we'll go. The 0 axis is this guy. So 0, and then we'll go down to negative 2. And that was where I first thought to go. Okay. Then it will go 1, and then it will go across 1, and down 1. And then across 1, and then it will stay there because that was 0. And then it will be go over 3, up 1, go over 4, up 2, go 5, up 3. That is how you find the little table to fill in the graph. So it's going to be going upwards like that, and if yours doesn't look like that, then you should watch this video again. So hopefully you understand how to find it. Okay, so this is just a recap of what we already did. So this is the y, and this is the x-axis. The y will go down, the x will go side to side. To find the rule, you need to know what the x value is. The x value, I don't know if you know numbers, but x will equal this figure 0. Just let you know that. And then figure 0, write that there so you can do figure 0 equals -2. -2 is going to be a big part in our problem. Okay, so when you're writing the rule, don't forget to put y, because that's a big part of it. Y equals. Okay, so this is kind of like a final view of like the final product that we have. So the rule is y equals x plus 1. This is how your graph should look like, and I need to add in the growth. So when you're done, growth equals 1. Yay! Happy face because he's happy that we are almost done with this video. So now we are near the end of this video. Okay, so I chose model with mathematics and logic and reasoning, mainly because these apply for basically every problem you're going to do. So this guy says, I can clearly show my work using diagrams, words, symbols, and pictures. That is mostly true for this problem, because we were able to use our table and our graph to find our values. So we did use pretty much pictures, and if that's why I chose that one. And for logic and reasoning, it says I can use words, numbers, logic, and reasoning skills to help me solve problems. And that really does apply for every problem, because if I didn't use reasoning and I thought if like the problem was 0 minus 1, you couldn't put 2 because that's not how it works. It would be 0. It would be 1. So that's why you need logic in math, because if you don't have logic in math, then you're most likely going to fail and not be very successful in life, and no one wants that. So hopefully this video was helpful in some way. I really hope you do good in your test if anyone watches this, and that is all that I have to say.